Hey, TriMech clients, we're here again on the floor of the Partner Pavilion at SolidWorks 2018 in LA, and we're excited to talk to Mike here. Mike, tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
Thank you, Kevin. My name is Mike Crowley, and I'm with 3D INFOTECH, and we produce a software called Streamline. Streamline is a universal metrology automation software, so it'll take you from start to finish through the metrology process in an automated way by allowing you to program scanners and robots to take images of the different parts. You can take all those images together and form a single STL file and compare that to CAD using your favorite inspection software. Wow. In this case, we're using Origin Technologies' Checkmate Inspector, the SolidWorks Plugin. Okay. So we can see the robot over here taking some images.
Awesome. Now, can you interface with almost any scanner, or how particular is the hardware that you're actually using in order to accomplish that?
Very good question. We call ourselves like hardware agnostic. We don't care about the hardware. We don't care about the scanner. Okay. Currently, we're integrated with Universal robots, Fanuc robots, and KUKA robots. For scanners, we got LMIs, we got ferrocobalts, Zeiss comets, as well as the Creaform lineup.
Okay. Awesome. Very cool. And I mean, where do you see, so we've always seen metrology as a higher end when it comes to scanning, but it seems like it's becoming much more accessible. A lot more people are trying to solve that problem now. Are you guys seeing the same thing?
Yeah, we are, because as people are becoming a little bit more tighter with their tolerances, they're wanting to make sure that all their parts are meeting those tolerances. Quality assurance is now becoming like a bottleneck of every corporation. So we're wanting to automate that process so we can help get parts out the door quicker. Sure. For all of our clients.
Awesome. You guys are doing some amazing things. Have you seen anything else here at the show that just blew your mind?
Oh man. Well, the entire show has really been quite amazing. This is actually my first convention, so awesome. Just walking around the floor has been kind of exciting. Yeah, awesome. So I couldn't really pinpoint one particular thing that I've been amazed by, because it's like every day I'm finding something else that's cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's a great answer, Mike. Well, hey, I appreciate the time, and thanks very much.
Thank you so much.